Do you have a hole in your vinyl siding and don't want to pay the high prices for a contractor to fix it? Well, now you don't have to. In this video, I'll show you how to replace that piece of siding and just how easy it is. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a damaged piece of vinyl siding. Here we have a piece of siding that was hit by hail. First, you need a tool like this. It's called a zipper tool, or otherwise known as a vinyl siding removal tool. You can find it in most building supply stores, like the Home Depot or Lowe's. Now find the bottom of the sheet above. Then slip it in and pull the bottom out, like this. Then push this tool behind the sheet above, and slide it to unzip it from the other sheet. Later, when zipping it back in over the new sheet, I'll show you how to use the hook on the zipper tool to do this. Now you can remove the old siding and put in a new piece. Once you have the new piece nailed, you can use the zipper tool to clip in the piece above. To do this, use the hook on the zipper tool to pull down and clip in the end of the piece above. Then slide the zipper tool across, just like sliding a zipper. That's all there's to it. Use the same procedure to replace a full sheet of siding. Clip the hook on the zipper tool on the bottom of the sheet above. Then pull out the end and slide the zipper tool behind it. Depending on how it's overlapped, you may need to unzip part of another sheet as well. Now, simply slide the zipper tool to unzip it. Replace the damaged sheet with a new one and nail it in. Now you can use the zipper tool to start at one side and zip the upper sheet to the new sheet. That's how you can use a zipper tool to replace a damaged piece of siding without taking the whole wall down. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.